Understanding the causes of transmission slippage in your vehicle. Your car's transmission plays a critical role in the overall performance and functionality of your vehicle. However, transmission problems can occur over time, leading to issues like slipping. Transmission slip refers to the unsettling experience of your vehicle temporarily losing power and not moving as expected. In this video, we will delve into the various reasons behind why your car's transmission may slip, exploring the intricate workings of this essential component and offering insights into potential solutions to this common automotive issue. So, before starting the video, please like this video, do subscribe and turn on the notification to our channel for future updates. 1. Low transmission fluid levels. One of the most prevalent culprits behind transmission slippage is low or contaminated transmission fluid. Transmission fluid serves multiple purposes, including lubricating the moving parts of the transmission, keeping it cool, and facilitating gear changes. When the fluid level is insufficient or deteriorated, it cannot perform these functions effectively, leading to slipping. Over time, fluid levels can decrease due to small leaks or normal wear and tear. Regularly checking and maintaining your transmission fluid level and quality can prevent this issue. Replenishing or flushing the fluid can often resolve the problem, but ignoring it may result in severe transmission damage. 2. Worn or burnt clutches. In automatic transmissions, clutches play a pivotal role in shifting gears smoothly. These clutches engage and disengage to allow for different gear ratios. Over time, they can wear out or become burnt due to the heat generated during operation. When this happens, the clutches may not engage properly, causing slipping during gear changes. Clutch replacement is often necessary when this occurs. The severity of the damage will determine whether you need to replace the entire clutch assembly or individual components. Regular maintenance can help extend the life of your transmission clutches. 3. Torque converter issues. The torque converter serves as a critical link between the engine and the transmission. It's responsible for transferring power from the engine to the transmission and ensuring smooth gear changes. If the torque converter malfunctions or experiences problems, it can lead to transmission slip. Common torque converter issues include damage to the clutch inside it or a malfunctioning lockup mechanism. Replacing a faulty torque converter is essential to resolve these issues, and it's a more intricate repair requiring the expertise of a skilled mechanic. 4. Transmission solenoid problems. Modern automatic transmissions rely on solenoids to control the flow of transmission fluid and engage gears. When these solenoids fail or become clogged, it can result in shifting problems and slipping. Solenoid issues are often associated with electrical or fluid-related problems within the transmission. Solenoid replacement or cleaning is typically the solution for these problems. Diagnosing which specific solenoid is causing the issue can be intricate and may require a professional diagnostic scan. 5. Faulty transmission control module, TCM. The TCM is responsible for controlling the operation of the transmission. If it fails or experiences a glitch, it can cause erratic shifting and slipping. A malfunctioning TCM may not send the correct signals to the transmission, leading to confusion and improper gear engagement. Replacing or reprogramming the TCM can rectify these issues. It's crucial to consult a mechanic with the necessary diagnostic tools to identify TCM-related problems accurately. 6. Clutch problems in manual transmissions. In manual transmissions, clutch issues can also lead to slipping. The clutch assembly consists of several components, including the clutch disc and pressure plate. Over time, these components can wear out, resulting in difficulty engaging gears properly. Replacing worn-out clutch components is necessary in such cases. Regular maintenance and proper driving techniques can help prolong the life of the clutch in a manual transmission. Conclusion. In conclusion, transmission slip is a common issue in vehicles that can result from various factors, including low transmission fluid, worn clutches, torque converter problems, solenoid issues, faulty TCM, clutch problems in manual transmissions, mechanical damage, overheating, or using incorrect transmission fluid. Regular maintenance and addressing issues promptly can help keep your transmission in good working condition, ensuring a smooth and safe driving experience. If you experience transmission slip, it's advisable to consult a professional mechanic to diagnose and address the underlying cause of the problem. Ignoring transmission issues can lead to more extensive and costly repairs in the long run. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.